Bakit ako ang pinipicturan mo? Ikaw ang pipicturan ko, in-slice ko lang ito.
Mamaya.
Happy birthday to you.
Naku, papatayin ko na. May sumingit eh.
Dali!
Happy birthday to me. Hindi yung picture, gaga video. Nakarinig to guys.
Gaga.
Gaga.
Ganda pa naman nagiging natin.
Ito po si friend Gina. Kanyang alaga si Kobe.
Kobe?
Yes.
Kakasin lang niya.
This is a video.
Video pala!
Yes.
Mga sila.
Speak.
Kagas-kagasin lang.
Speak. Greeting.
Hi! Ito yung aso ko! Balak-balakan!
Okay.
Hello! Hi!
Si, ang friend mo lang.
No greetings.
Sinabi mo, friend mo. My
No
God.
greet.
Dina!
I didn't say that like that. Because it's focused on friend Gina. That's why I said friend Gina.
Yes!
Why will I tell friend Mars?
It's birthday! Mirna's birthday!
And
And Christmas birthday!
And Jesus' birthday.
okay, this is the jealous guy.
Ha, jealous guy ka. Hi, Ate Mirna, happy birthday.
Thank you. I am the celebrant and I am the one taking the video for my friends. Now, here is Ate Rose.
Manang! Happy birthday!
The electrifying. Magnifying.
Nagdipaling glass.
Sarap ng ulam.
Sa next week ko, magbebenta na ako ng sinigang. Ayun si Juanita.
Hi! I'm Nick!
Uy, nang bata na happy birthday.
Okay, tama na yun.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Jo,
Nasagot ka
Jo,
Gina.
Jo.
Happy birthday.
Madilim eh.
Happy
Naku, haharap.
Normal naman, normal.
Kaya sa Pilipinas, ano mo?
Gusto mo pa upload. Baka gusto mo namang hawakan para ako magsalita.
Sige, sige.
Hello!
Alis.
Hindi, okay lang.
Eh, ang pangalan.
With my
Okay, si ano, si Gulayat.
Santa Jo.
Si ano pa, David and Gulayat.
Happy birthday to me.
Hi, wow. Yan yung boyfriend ni Ate Mirna dito sa Canada,
Oh
oh.
my.
Pasensya na kayo na
Stand
ano
up
yan.
my papa. Okay, like that. Okay.
Hindi na kayo kain na. Lipat ko sa pagkakay.
Aling mo naman may kinto. Galaw to kami.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ginagawa ka lang ko ng aso. Gina, kumain ka na.
Ay, naiiting-iting.